Friends. A lot has been told about Dr. Manoj Datta, and I think nothing is left very much to tell about him. He was a very nice and perfect gentleman that everybody knows. I knew Manoj from the day of his joining in 1980 at Bilaspur. I was at Champa at that time. We joined in 77. So at that time we were hearing a good eye doctor has joined at Bilaspur, and today, yesterday, somebody in the office was told to see Manoj. He had to run to the hospital twice. एक तो बढ़िया आई डॉक्टर आया है, उसको खाली देखने के लिए, उसका कोई आई प्रॉब्लम था नहीं. तो nevertheless he was handsome and he was tall. He was looking tall at that. Maybe there was a lot of hair, so he was looking tall.
Still is.
So Manoj, actually I met him at Raipur in the platform once. I knew him because he is an eye specialist. Maybe there was no interaction. He was going to Bhilai, as Dr. J.C. Das told. He was going always with Dr. Ramteke. He was the DMO surgeon at Bilaspur at that time, present DC. So I had the occasion to meet him once or twice in the platform, because Raipur is on the way to going to Bhilai. Then Manoj came here in 88. I was also transferred from Bilaspur to Khurda Road Division in 88. Manoj was telling this month is very auspicious in the sense probably his father was retiring or retired in this month and he got the job. And when he was retiring, his son got the job. So this is a good coincidence. Now eye department definitely has been developed, and I know the three eye doctors earlier were very good, very competent, and Manoj was at the helm of affairs every time. And Bhuya is not there, no? Manoj has started separating from the surgeons. A separation, he started a IoT separating. At that time I was senior DMO administration. So I did not like the idea, but MD was there, Dr. J. Rai. She has given the order. Probably the retirement was hardly 1 or 2 months. So started breaking. So I was the first man to object. And there was an altercation with Bhuya. He came and he told, you are objecting to everything. Well, you don't argue with me. I will stop this. I can stop this. In front of Jagdar. How you will stop? Well, I will be MD. I will be MD. She cannot do anything. So don't argue with me. I had certain reservations that I told, because we wanted to make that wing as a ICU, having 16 beds or 20 beds like that. That was the brainchild of Dr. D.K. Das. He told me, you make this. This will be ideal. Nevertheless, we did not have any personal enemy. उसका बाद भी हम लोग अच्छा से बात किए, कोई बात नहीं है, हुआ अच्छा ही हुआ, काम कर रहे हैं लोग. So in 2006 when I came to the chair, so at that time I thought we will be the senior DMO administration and G, and I was compelled to take Dr. Nayak due to certain reasons. Then I told Manoj, you have to do this. ए बस बहुत झंझट का काम है, उसमें मैं नहीं जाए. I told I pursued him. You must be here because I had lot of faith in his ability. Though directly except eye surgery, I did not know much things. But while talking to him, while discussing with him, I thought he will be a capable man. Then initially, both Dr. Nayak and Manoj, because once you go to a different arena, naturally you will falter because you have not done that. So I was very raw. I scolded them left and right every day, and gradually, because he had that ability. Gradually he picked up, and today he is retiring. But I have got no hesitation to say he is a better administrator than me. He has got lot of patience, lot of perseverance, seeing the things in detail, going deep into it, analyze and doing things. We don't have that patience. And another man that patience was there, Dr. Kepikar. But I had a confusion for Manoj. Kepikar was a perfectionist, but the work which has to be done in 1 hour, he will take 5 days. He will see to it, then finally he will decide. So decision has to be taken promptly. You cannot, for a 1 hour work, you cannot wait for 5 days. So Manoj is retiring, everybody will retire. So there should not be any regret. He has planned everything. I think 2-3 years back he has made his house and the interior decoration was done. And then he thought maybe 1 year before or 6 months before I will go. But he could not due to this association with us and with this railway. Every time नहीं बस होगा नहीं देखे वो उस टाइम में जाएगा. So gradually probably he left about 10 days back. So he occupied the quarter, and in between on Sundays he used to go to his house, clean it and then come back. So Manoj Datta is a multifaceted personality. He is a good friend of everybody and a very good friend of mine. There is a lot of things I have learned from him personally. And I hope God has given him everything. Maybe in course of your life's journey there will be difficulties, and I think you might have faced a lot of difficulties. So far the family front is concerned, whatever is that. So that is the way of life. So without problem there is no life. Life should have problems. You solve it, then you will get real happiness. So all that I can say. I think Manoj, you have left these operations 2-3 years back, ne?
No, sir.
Why can't you come and do some operations with Bhuya for sometime maybe of your own, in your own time, so that little bit of AN practice will be there, so that while you will sit, you have more confidence. I know you have confidence. You will have more confidence. So I pray God that your retired life will be happy and all your family members will be happy, healthy and prosperous. Thank you.